734-763-3500. We have just over an hour left. This is your last chance to donate not only to the seizure experiment for 2017, but also to the station that you love listening to 24/7. I mean, we do the best show here, we all know that, but there are a lot of other great shows too, and they're fully worth supporting. If you would like to call and donate to any one of those shows, you're more than welcome to.
Our opposite.
Hey, no. I'm disagreeing with. I'm with
Okay,
Kristen
take
here.
over then. Yeah, take it over.
Seizure experiment. Call right now and pledge to the seizure experiment. It's the last show of fundraiser, and help us go out with a bang.
Yeah.
Well put, Kristen.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. I put things well.
She puts them in their places.
Yes. Over and over again.
So those guys are breaking down over there. Do we got any music to play in between while they're like gonna come, break down?
We do.
Okay.
And actually, we heard a song after they finished playing. That was Famine with Behemoth. And next up, we have Lair of the Minotaur with Engorged with Unborn Gore. And we have screaming sound effects, other sound effects. They're having some fun over here. But we're gonna play some music and not just sound effects. So hope you enjoyed. This is Lair of the Minotaur.